to get the side panel off where the OBD2 sensor plug, or the OBD plug is, and the pull for the hood located. First going to remove the pull to the hood, and it is a T20 screw, basically right in it, and then handle pops right off. Once you get the handle off, you're going to notice there's another screw behind the panel. It's also another T20. I'm going to remove that screw. Where is it? Right there. And then you're basically going to pry this thing off to the point where it feels like it's going to break. Yeah, you ought to pry like this too, the panel for the door, which is basically just grabbing a hold of it and pulling up. It's not held in there nearly as strong as this panel is with these two clips. There's no really easy way to do it other than trying to pull evenly across it. It's not like you can pull up one way or up the other way. You just pull out and it pops off.